I was really wanting to make something this week, and I thought I'd make something for you guys. And the wife said she was going to Michael's, so I went with her.
Welcome back to the Workbench, and we are continuing the 10,000 subscriber celebration, and I cannot say thank you enough. And what I thought we'd do real quick is just a recap of what's been going on. So Monday we talked about giving away a build for you. So it'll be your build, your name tagged on a build, what you decide, but you got to leave me those ideas down in the description, and then we'll pick one. We're going to vote for one, and then it's your build. I build it for you with your name attached to it. Then let's see, Tuesday was super glue. So we're giving away some Starbond super glue, a whole package of Starbond super glue and super glue remover and some other stuff. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to comment down below Starbond. And then yesterday we talked about the giveaway for tons of 3D parts. There'll be some 3D wheels and some other stuff included in this, and I'll probably just print some stuff up just for the fun of it to throw in there. If that's something you're interested in, just leave 3D parts down in the description. And then we're going to have a giveaway today, the last giveaway, the 4th. And then tomorrow, we'll actually give them away. So we'll vote on the celebration build, which one we're going to choose for that. And then we'll pick the winners for the other 3, let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's giveaways. But that's enough to talk about that. We'll talk about the giveaway at the end here. I have some excitement, some big excitement. We can't have a 10,000 subscriber celebration without one old character from the channel. And if you've been around a while, you already know who I'm talking about. And let's just bring him on out. Yep, Frank has joined us for the celebration. Sit up, Frank. You're always just laying around, buddy. Just go ahead and sit up right here for us. Frank has joined the celebration. I've had so many comments since the end of the RC shop of where's Frank? Where's Frank? Well, Frank's still around. The only problem is now we're working in a lot smaller scale, and you can tell Frank, who is, worked kind of okay with 10th scale, not going to work too well with 24th or 25th scale. So I have you some even better news, because Frank is coming back to the channel, just in a little smaller form. So we've got small Frank. So Frank will be coming back to the channel. I've got some plans. Obviously, if Frank's coming back to the channel, he has to have somewhere to work. I mean, Frank was our employee, right? Where does he get? So we're going to have a garage. So we will be starting a garage build that we can film out of, kind of like what we used to do with the RC shop videos. And then Frank, of course, he'll have a place to work and I guess drink up all the oil like he did before. But so Frank is coming back to the channel. That's the exciting news there. And I think it'll be a lot of fun. For the old video, we're going to go really not that old. What I thought the video we would show, one is a video that I really liked and didn't get much love. Took a lot of work to put together. And it was the first video back for the channel. So this channel took a long hiatus. And then the first video back, I'm going to show you just highlights of it, but I implore you, I'm going to leave it a link in the description to the video itself. Go check out the full video. It was a lot of work, and I thought it was okay. Production is not good, but it was still fun. But I'm going to show you some highlights right now.
I was really wanting to make something this week, and I thought I'd make something for you guys. And the wife said she was going to Michael's, so I went with her, and I kind of found something I guess I like. I don't know what this thing is. It's called a perler, but like I said, there was one that I liked, so I got it, and now I'm going to make it for you guys. In fact, it comes with some tweezers, and so I'm going to use my tweezers, and I'm going to put it together. And I thought what we'd do is make a game. Like, you could tell me what you think it is as soon as you figure it out. I'll kind of piece it together slowly, and then you guys kind of tell me what it is. When you know it, put it down there. I think you write it somewhere. Anyways, I'm gonna take my little tweezers, and I'm gonna make a perler. Well, that was easy. Like they say, you just got to have the right tools. But now we need to turn this into one big piece of plastic instead of a whole bunch of little pieces of plastic. So let's figure out what we got to do for that. Down here. And now, what do you do with it? I'm not sure what you do with this at this point. I mean, I don't know. I have a wedding anniversary coming up. That could work. But, you know, if you want to do one of these, I don't know, I guess go ahead. Really tedious. Burnt my fingers a lot. Yeah, I don't know. If you want to do one of these, just don't.
So that was the first video back for the channel. That's what kind of kicked it back off of doing cars and craft type builds. Obviously, that was a craft build, was the very first. And it kind of kicked it off again. Please go check out the full video. That video was a lot of work. I'd love to see what you guys think if you went over there and watched it and left a comment for me on it. But anyways, yeah, that was kind of what's kicked back off the channel and kind of, I guess, got us to where we are now. But we have one more giveaway to do. And what I thought I would do, well, you know, give away a kit. So I think what I'm going to do, I have a 55 Chevy Bel Air kit that I think I'm going to give away. It's been opened, but it's not been opened. I just opened the box to check it out because I just can't help myself. You know, everything's here. In fact, everything's still in the package or in the plastic. But yeah, so I thought what I would do is give away this kit, but I thought I would add a little something to it. I think what I'll do, I'm debating. So what I was going to do is like print an LS motor for it and do some printed parts for it that you could use. But then the person that wins might not want to use those parts. I think that's probably, I'm trying to think of what the best way to do it was. So I think that's what I'll do. I'm going to print out a motor and I'll probably print out some wheels and tires. Like I'll print out some of the accessories, I guess we'll call them, some 3D printed parts for the kit that I'll send with the kit. So you can kind of make it a little more, you know, more fancy. Maybe what I'll do is print out, I think what I'll do is print out some, well, first of all, you'll have, I think, 2 different sets of wheels in the kit. And then I might print out a couple different sets of wheels to send with the kit. So you have some options. I think this has, I think you can build the motor in the kit 2 different ways. And then I think I'm going to print out an LS motor with it to go with the kit. And then, yeah, maybe I'll think of some other little things to send with it. But in other words, you're not only going to get the kit, you're going to get a bunch of parts that could go with it if you want to do a little more of a custom build, or use those parts in something else if you'd rather. That'd be fine too. But yeah, so anyways, that's what today's giveaway is going to be. I think just down below, I guess maybe 55 Chevy. Just comment 55 Chevy if you want in on that. And again, like I said, it's going to be a kit and parts to go with it. So again, 55 Chevy down in the comments. Anyway, so that's, I guess, the last of the main videos for the celebration, or at least what I had kind of planned for the celebration. Reminder, Frank's coming back to the channel. Leave me those comments down below. Leave me all the comments on your ideas for the celebration build. For if you want the Starbond CA glue, if you want the 3D parts package, or if you want the 55 Chevy with 3D printed parts. Leave me those comments down in the comment section. Go check out the Batman Perler build, whatever that thing is. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all those buttons if you would, or do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I've got to start going through comments to make sure we have them all to vote and to select tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.